Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix can't turn on or turn off real-time production on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix time grayed out your Windows security real-time production, it is grayed out and you are unable to turn off or turn it on, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open this CMD, click on start menu, then type here CMD, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator, click on this allow. Here you have to copy paste this command one by one from my video description link. Just copy this command and paste in this command prompt window. Just press Ctrl V to paste, then hit enter. Then copy the second command. Then press Ctrl V to paste. Then hit enter. Then close this window. After doing this, now you can check the real-time protection. You can turn off and turn it on again. You can turn off, then turn it on again. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix cannot turn off or turn it on real-time protection on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.